Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing the Chef Boyardee frozen chicken Alfredo. So if you're like me and you threw out the package after you made half of this, or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your frozen chicken Alfredo, a pan to cook this in. I like one that's a little bit deeper, and you're going to need a lid for it or some foil or a plate, something to cover it with while it's cooking. You're going to need a utensil to stir it with. I like this little noodle spoon. Then we're going to need some water, and finally a meat thermometer to make sure that this is cooked fully all the way through at the end. I'm going to be preparing half of a bag today. The instructions are slightly different if you're doing a full bag, so I'll go over that as we go. First thing that we need to do is put our pan on the stove and get it going on medium-high. All right, now that we've got that in there, we're gonna go ahead and add in our sauce and noodles. So I'm doing half a bag, so I have 2 sauce pouches. If you are doing a full bag, you will have 4 sauce pouches. So you're gonna go ahead and open up either 2 or 4 and put them in your pan. These do open up really easily. They have a little peel thing. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we're gonna go ahead and toss in all of our pasta, or half of your pasta, depending on how much you're making. Last step, we're gonna add in our water. I have 1/4 cup for half of the package. If you're doing a full package, do 1/2 cup of water. Give this all a stir. And then I just try to arrange it to where everything is kind of touching the bottom or the side of the pan. And then we're just gonna cover that up. And their recommendation is to cook this for 7 to 9 minutes for half of a bag and 12 to 13 minutes for a full bag. We do need to stir occasionally. So every couple minutes, I'm gonna come back and stir this up just to make sure that nothing is sticking. And then I will come back and let you know exactly how many minutes it took to cook this on my stove in my skillet. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, guys, it has been 7 minutes. And looking at this, I'm not happy with the consistency of the sauce at this rate. So I'm going to leave it on for another minute or 2. I want it to thicken up a little bit more. By all means, if you don't mind it being this liquidy, then if the chicken is done to 165 degrees, you could take it off and be done. But I'm gonna let mine cook a little bit more because I want that sauce to be less runny. All right, it has been 9 minutes. The sauce is looking thicker. I know if I let it sit for a couple minutes, it will thicken up some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my temperature on my chicken and see if we are done. I am gonna check multiple pieces just to make sure. All right, I checked several pieces of chicken. They are done. We're gonna turn our heat off. So there you have it. Here's our completed Chef Boyardee frozen chicken Alfredo. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.